Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crop a photo into a circular shape. Let's begin. Now let's begin. First create a new document with a transparent background and bring your image here, file, place image. Bring one image. Here. Here you can see choose the circular mark tool with the hold the shift button with your one hand and make a circle width and height is same. When you press the shift button and drag, the width and height will remain same. Release your mouth first before releasing the shift button and release the shift button second. Now you can see that your image has been selected in a circular shape. Now we need to remove the outer part of the image. For that we'll go to select and inverse it. Now the outer part of the image has been selected and press the delete button from your keyboard. Couldn't complete with the button. Okay. Here change the layer into convert to layers and press it OK. Now press the delete button. Now you can see that the outer part has been deleted and you have a circular shape image. And to deselect this, you can see the image is still selected. To deselect this, go to select and deselect, or with the shortcut keyboard key it's Ctrl plus D. Deselect it. And the next, when you crop the image into the exact width and length, go to image and look for the trim. When you trim, make sure the top, bottom, left and right checkbox is selected, and it will trim away this transparent background. Press it OK. You can see that the unnecessary transparent background has trimmed away and only the circular image is there. Now you have to save the image. Go to save as. When you save the image, it's better to save in the PNG format because the JPG format doesn't support the transparent background. I will show you by saving in both format and see the result. Okay, let's save it first into PNG format and name it as circle image PNG and save and choose the default option. It's okay. Now again save it at JPG format. Save on your computer, select from your JPG format, and this one circle image JPG. I have saved my image into the downloads folder, so I'll go and see over there. Okay, press it. Okay, now both images are saved. JPG and PNG image are saved in my download folder. Go to the download folder. Here's the download folder. You can see the circular image PNG is seen because this is the PNG format, and the JPG format you can see like this. So I recommend you to save it in the PNG format. When you open the PNG format, you can see the image, but when you try to open the JPG format, you will get this message. Go back to the Photoshop. Yeah, that's it how you crop your image into the circular shape. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.